Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some mouth-watering country style ribs in the oven. That's right, you don't need a grill or smoker to enjoy delicious, juicy, tender ribs. So let's get started. First we're going to make our seasoning starting with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for a smoky flavor, and half a teaspoon for cayenne pepper. And make sure to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to pour some liquid smoke with hickory flavor to our country style ribs and rub it in. This will give our ribs an even more smoky flavor as if it came from the grill. Next we're going to season our country style ribs from top to bottom, front to back. We want to make sure all our sides are coated evenly. And this is how your country style ribs should look afterwards, well seasoned. Now place your ribs on a baking sheet with a rack lined with foil. This will help make cleanup a breeze. And if you don't have a pan like this, don't worry, a regular baking sheet will do as well. Now it's time to cover your ribs with foil and pop them into the preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. This low and slow cooking method will ensure that your ribs are tender and flavorful. Once your ribs are done, it's time to add some barbecue sauce. Now I know what you're thinking because I thought the same thing too. These ribs look dry and burnt, but I promise you they're not. Just trust the process and see it through. You can add as little or as much barbecue sauce as you want. Just be sure to brush your sauce onto both sides of the ribs. Once you're done coating your ribs with barbecue sauce, leave your ribs uncovered and return them back to the oven for an additional 30 minutes to an hour at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, delicious barbecue country style ribs made in the oven. You can add parsley or your favorite herbs to your ribs if you like, and you can serve them up with your favorite sides and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find a recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out delightcooking.com where you can find more delicious recipes to make at home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.